everyone, my name is Juliana and I'm the founder for Pisang Hijau Warteg. Joining the UMAMI bootcamp has been such a turning point for me. I finally discovered the path that I've been looking for. The guidance and impact from the UMAMI have been so valuable in shaping my business startup. And yeah, I'm truly grateful for it. Thank you for this opportunity. And yeah, thank you so much, UMAMI.
After 3 days, is very in awe, energized, and I regained my ambition and sense of direction. I was in the dark for quite some time, and now Mommy gave me the spark of light, the spark of hope again in the world of entrepreneurship, which is fundamentally lonely. Thank you very much, Mommy, for giving us the opportunity, and I am really looking forward to upcoming classes and to work with you till the end.
You feel that you're lonely, but with this team, we can support each other and we can focus and we can dream big and do it smart.
Program UMAMI 2035 tahun ni sangat best. Hoi. Daripada hari pertama, kita keluar kita punya jiwa. Hari kedua, ada rasa semangat makin meningkat. Kemudian hari ketiga, last day hari ini, kami jadi lebih tahu hala tuju, tahu apa lagi nak buat dan selesaikan masalah dengan cara teratur. Terima kasih so much UMAMI 2025. Kita jumpa lagi.